welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss about the TS ICET examination. In this full video, if you watch this video, definitely you can crack TS ICET examinations. Okay, so mostly 3 or 4 days is left for your entrance examination. So in this video I'm going to give you these certain tips and tricks to score. Okay, if you didn't yet started your preparation also, you can easily understand by watching this video, because I have also prepared this TS ICET when I was writing before 2 days of examination only. I was prepared this. Okay, so who can apply is OC and OBC students 50% they can apply, and SC ST I think everyone were applied your TS ICET examination, and the examination dates were 4th June and 5th June. No, hall ticket will be issued by 2nd or 3rd of June 2024. Okay, so many of the students are going to write in a degree, like whoever is pursuing their degree, that students only is going to write the TS ICET examination. So for them it will be difficult, because they are starting the degree examinations from 7th of June also. So students, whatever it might be the reason, so the thing is you need to understand the question paper model, from which topic, from where and from which topic the questions are going to come in the examination question paper, everything. And this examination is a digital examination, as you all know. So online examination will be there. Your center will whoever you are having your invigilator, he or she will give every instructions related to your examination. Okay students, so you don't worry about the online examination, how it will be, everything will be. So it is also a just multiple choice questions, and 4th of June and 5th of June each day will have 2 shifts: morning examination, afternoon examination. In your hall ticket it will be clearly mentioned whether you are having a morning examination or afternoon examination. Okay, time duration will be like around 3 hours. So concentrately you need to write your examination, because time will not be sufficient. 200 questions it will be. And coming if I have asked, if you people have asked me, means just concentrate on your degree examinations only. Okay, so TS ICET is a generalized questions only. You will get there will be no negative marks, so that you can easily get eligible marks, like around 60 or 59 marks you need to score out of 200. So it will be easy. If you attempt 200 questions, you can easily score 50 or 60 correct marks, right? So 50 marks will be the eligibility. Okay, the candidates appearing for the final year degree examinations are also eligible to appear for TS ICET 2023 and 2024. Okay, so and whoever is already completed their graduation also, they can also write this TS ICET examination. Okay, qualifying marks is 25%. Okay, so 25% means 50 marks. Okay, out of 200 marks you need to get 50 marks, so then you are eligible, because 5 year write this TS ICET means to reduce your fees, that's it. Okay, so for example, OBC students and OC students will get 18,000 reimbursement. For example, if MBA college is charging 50,000 per year, means in 50,000 college fees, 18,000 you will get discount if you are eligible in TS ICET. Remaining 32,000 you need to pay your college fee. So for that purpose, many of the students will write TS ICET examination, which will be helpful for you to reimbursement. For SC and ST candidates will have a full reimbursement, whether it is a 1 lakh fees college also, you can easily eligible to study free of cost. Okay, so this is the thing, and eligibility is matters. And if you want the seat in top reputed colleges, top reputed universities, means you need to get rank below 500 or below 1000 compulsory. Okay students, so question paper pattern will be 2 days examination there will be. So whether you will get first day or second day, it will be mentioned in your hall tickets. Okay, total 200 marks question paper, and there will be no negative mark. Okay, so as there is no negative mark, you attempt all questions. Okay, it will be easy for you to all to understand and to get the full marks. Okay, out of 200 question, each question carries 1 mark. So 200 marks, 200 questions, 200 marks, and eligibility is 50 marks. Out of 200 questions, minimum 50 marks you need to get perfect. And some of the students are asking me that which book I need to prefer, which book I need to buy, which publication I need to buy. See ma, as 200 marks related to from which topic, how many questions will get, also I will explain now. So section A is consisting of 75 marks. In this 75 marks you will get only related to the generalized studies. Okay, general topics whatever you are having you will get. And section B also consists of 75 marks, means 75 questions you will get. It's related to mathematical addition. And section C, only 50 questions you will get, that is 50 marks. It is related to the communication. Okay students, so communication skills like pronoun, nouns, verbs, adverbs, okay, sentence formation, like this only, paragraph writing, this type of questions only you will get. Out of 200 marks you can easily score 40 to 50 marks from section C. Okay, because it's an English question paper, so in question paper will be in English and Telugu also, so don't worry about that. So question paper will be in English and Telugu. Okay, so this is the thing, 200 marks. Out of 200 marks, 75 marks section A, 75 marks section B, there is 150 marks, and the remaining 50 marks consist of section C. So this is the question paper pattern. 3 sections you will get, so you can easily write your examination very well. Don't need to concentrate on remaining things. Maths, it is no or not having any negative marks, you can easily score good marks in this. Okay, from section A, first 20 questions related to data sufficiency. Okay, 20 questions will get from data sufficiency topic, and remaining 55 questions whatever is there related to the problematic solving. Okay, so total 75 marks. So just type in YouTube data sufficiency questions for TS ICET, means you will get plenty of videos. Just follow any one of the video, it will be enough to understand it. Okay, so total 55 plus 20, total 75 marks consist of section A. And coming back to the section B, students, arithmetical ability you will have 35 questions you will get. Okay, so 35 questions from arithmetical ability. So the thing is, what tip I will tell is, section B, as we are not a background of mathematics background, so just blindly take any of the thing. Okay, so 1 or 2, A or B or C or D, whatever you feel that like that you need to attempt it. Okay, and the second 30 question will come from algebraical and geometrical ability. Okay, so 30 plus 35, 65, and remaining 10 marks will get from statistical ability. Statistical ability questions will be easy, and as you have already learned in your degree statistics subject, so that type of questions only you can easily understand it. Okay, so section A and section B, total 150 questions. Right, out of 150 questions, if you tick anything blindly also, you can easily get 15 or 20 correct answers, right? And remaining 30 questions you can score it in section C. Why I am saying section C? Because section C is communication skills only, right? Communication ability only you will get from section C. Okay, what are the topics you are having in communication ability? Like meanings and dashes, means they will give Ramu and dash went to the shop, like that, means Ramu and some other, Ramu and Venu, like that you need to understand it. Okay, and synonyms they will give, antonyms they will give verbs, tenses, voice, like idioms, articles, preposition, computer terminology, business terminology, comprehension passages. So each passage will have 5 questions, students. So as you have already learned English question paper from many years, you can easily understand this concept also. Out of 50 questions you can easily get 30 or 35 questions correct. Okay, so this is the 35 questions, and out of 150 questions minimum 20 questions you will get. So 35 plus 20, 45, 55 marks. Eligibility is only 50 marks. You are getting 55. So you have qualified. So rank doesn't matter. What the thing is matter is eligibility matter. Why rank will be matter means if you want to study in Usmania University, direct in Usmania University, if you want to study in some of the top notch colleges, for them it will be easy. Okay, and if you want to learn books means for all subject RS Agarwal will be the easy, and for model papers questions Sharda publication is easy. Okay, so these two books I can refer to you all because I have already pursued, I have already studied the CS ICET examination. I have also qualified with 81 marks. So for that purpose I am saying out of 200 marks I have got 81 marks in my TS ICET examination. So that time I have studied the topics from RS Agrawal and Sharda publications for model papers. I have referred these two books. Okay, so some of the students are asking about the publications, right? So for them it will be, and tips. What are the tips I need to say is, while going to the examination center, before 1 hour you need to reach there, before 1 hour of examination. Why before 1 hour means after going there you need to learn the instructions, as it is a digital examination, how you can take the answers, how you will write, everything you need to learn from that. Okay, so that's why before 1 hour you need to be there at your centers, and after that all the digital like watches, normal watches, everything depends on the center, they will try to remove it. Okay, so you should follow all that restrictions, everything. Okay students, and after going home, one sir or madam, the invigilator who is take caring of your class, will announce you to how you can, he or she will tell that how you will write in your digital computer about the examinations, everything they will do. So you don't need to by heart, or you don't need to like think any of it. Okay students, so in our Telegram group I have uploaded the PDFs also. So try to find out the PDFs in our Telegram group, and in description box I have given the Telegram link, students. Okay, so normally if what my suggestion is, don't need to buy any books, as it is having only 2 or 3 days. Just take the help of YouTube and just start listening the classes. It will be helpful for you to all. Okay students, so and after tick every question. Okay, 200 out of 200 questions you need to attempt it, and you need to come out. Okay, so this is the thing, and compulsory you need to attempt all questions, then only can easily get passing marks. Okay, so after completing they will give rough sheet also. You don't need to carry anything except a pen and your hall ticket number. Okay, so without pen, without hall ticket, they will not allow you to write the examination, because they will not, it's not our college, it's not a degree exam, right? Without carrying hall ticket number, if you are like that only, they will simply tell you to get out. So that's why it's important for you to carry your hall ticket number, carry your hall ticket. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, watches, everything they will restrict, so better not to keep, and go to your examination and do your best. Okay, so no need to concentrate on anything, just concentrate on communication ability, and communication ability whatever I have shown, synonyms, antonyms, and paragraph writing, like this type of questions, as you have already know, just try to make it as a perfect thing. Okay, so that's the thing students, as many of the requested, that's why I'm doing this today. Also many of the comments and many of the personal messages were asking that Akka, please let us give the motivation on TS ICET. So that's why I have done a video regarding this. I hope that you have got clarity. See, whatever I have experienced while writing TS ICET, that tips I have given. For me it doesn't matter to give the important question, but it's not required so that's why I'm not giving any important questions. Just try to solve the previous year question papers, that will be enough. Okay, so this is about the video. I hope that you have got clarity regarding this video. If you are having any doubts related to the TS ICET, you can comment down in the comment section. And again I'm saying that just concentrate on your degree examination, those who are pursuing. Okay, TS ICET is a like easiest paper you will get, like around 50 marks you can easily score by attempting 200 marks. So 200 questions you can easily score 50 questions as a correct answers. Okay, so don't need to concentrate too much on this, because you are having less time for your degree examination. Students, I hope that you have got clarity about the TS ICET examination. All the very best for your examination. Hardly 2 or 3 days is left, and this is all about the video. If you like this video, then like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and share with all your friends and groups. And please do comment me in the comment section how you felt about the video, because that comment will makes me to boost and to do more videos in future. Okay students, see you all in next video. If you're having any doubts, if you want any other subjects important questions videos also, you can comment down in the comment section. Definitely I will try to do the videos regarding on the subject. Okay students, so all the very best, and once again thank you so much.